Have the opposition divided while taking on the government over the demonetization drive. It's Akrosh Divas announced by the opposition even as they're brainstorming ahead of the day 10 of the parliament session. Already we're looking at counter to the Bandh called by some of the left parties in the opposition. Protest that's been called by Congress, TMC and the other parties. Look it on your screens. It's a trade association which is saying that they do not support Akrosh Divas. No Bandh, I am with my country. This is also a populist call for the Modi government that has announced a black money crackdown. You have various NGOs coming together as well saying nation with Modi. These are visuals that we're getting from the capital. Let me also go across now for a spot check across the nation of how the Akrosh Divas call by the opposition is shaping up. First in Chennai, where you have DMK Stalin addressing the crowd. My colleague Pramod is joining us also from the spot. We did see some of the protest earlier in the morning with the DMK flags being waved. Now you have the DMK show of strength in Chennai against the Notbandi. But at the same time, it's not a complete shutdown call across the city. Pramod, take us through what's happening today morning in Chennai. How is the opposition upping the ante?
Well, the situation in Chennai is becoming intense. As we can see, the crowd in DMK protest over here. The next generation leader of DMK, MP Stalin, is leading the protest. The entire Rajani Road next to the collector office is jammed packed with DMK cadres. And as you can see, there's one side is completely full of posters, and on the other side you have Prominent Indian Bank, its branch and its head office. Not just that, DMK questions as to why Tamil Nadu government is being silent when it comes to the public problem here, especially demonetization. And instead, AIDMK has only voiced out that cooperative societies are under attack, and because of that, people, especially farmers, are troubling. Other than that, they have not said anything. But when it comes to DMK, now they are questioning us, how come people who have got crores of money as loan can live a decent life, but people who are hard-earning money have to survive this way. We have one of the DMK cadres over here. Let's just ask him this protest. As you can see, I can see a lot of people dressed like Stone Age men. What are you trying to show to the nation?
See, we are trying to say that, let me clear that we are not against the steps which is taken to avoid the black money. We are only against the problem, the normal people, middle class people. The people are facing the problem because there is no precautionary measures taken by government. And when Chandrababu Naidu, Andhra Prime Minister, and Mamata Banerjee, West Bengal Chief Minister, making a noise to take the steps to support the people, when Tamil Nadu government is silent and there is no noise from the Tamil Nadu government.
There you have it, Devina. It seems like the Tamil Nadu government, especially Chief Minister Jayalalitha, who is currently hospitalized, has not said anything.
Okay, all right, okay. Okay, Pramod, be with us, because let me go across to Rohit, my colleague in Patna, who's joining us from there. Mahagathbandhan seeing the cracks with the Congress and the RJD supporting the protest, but you have the JDU supporting the Prime Minister's move. Interesting times in Patna. We did see Congress protests earlier in the morning. Also, we had CPIM workers, the visuals on the screen, which had blocked the railway in Patna on the train tracks. They had given dharna earlier in the morning. Rohit, take us through what's happening around you.
The protest now that was called by the Congress party and the opposition has now begun, and right now we are at the Dak Bungalow roundabout in Patna, and here we are seeing that few Congress workers have now assembled at the Dak Bungalow roundabout, and they are chanting slogans against the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also demonetization that has taken place in the country. And what they are saying is that because of demonetization, the common man has been inconvenienced, and that is why they have now taken on the street to demonstrate against the decision. Let's talk to few Congress workers here. आप बताइए, नोटबंदी क्या गलत है, सही है, क्या है?
नहीं, नोटबंदी का फैसले से जो लोगों को परेशानी हुई है, जो जनता आज के डेट में परेशान हो रही है, सैकड़ों की तादाद में लोग जान गंवा चुके हैं। हम लोग उस काउज के लिए लोग जमीन सड़क पर उतरे हैं कि कम से कम आप जनता की परेशानियों को दूर करने की कोशिश कीजिए। आपने फैसला तो सही लिया, हम उसके विरोध में नहीं है। आपने काला धन लाई है, हम चाहते हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी चाहती है, लेकिन कम से कम आप जनता को इस तरीके से परेशान मत कीजिए। आपकी वजह से आज पूरे करोड़ों करोड़ जनता जो देश में सड़कों के बाहर में है, रोड के ऊपर में लाइन में लग लगना होता है उनको। आज किसान परेशान है, उनको बीज की मुहैया नहीं हो पा रही है। तो
That's the point that what the Congress workers are making is that the common man is being deeply inconvenienced, in fact, because of demonetization, and now that is the reason why they have come on the street and are opposing demonetization. With camera person Nadeem Alam, this is Rohit Singh in Patna for India Today.
All right, let's go across to Kolkata because it's interesting. The West Bengal politics where you had Mamata taking the lead on the implementation of demonetization drive, asking for protests, even march till the president's house. You had the left which had taken a backseat, but now left is calling for a complete shutdown across the nation. And Mamata saying, we will stick to protest. These are visuals that we're getting this morning from Kolkata, City of Joy. Today seems to be grappling with the left Bandh call. My colleague Manogya sending us this report. Over to you, Manogya.
Trinamool Congress and the left parties have been opposing the demonetization drive of the central government, and at the same time are not on the same page when it comes to the Bharat Bandh. I'm standing in the Hazra crossing where you see that the left parties have called for a Bharat Bandh, but nothing seems to be stopping. It has a little bit of impact in the districts and a certain pockets of strongholds like Dinajpur and other areas of the state, as well as Tripura and other states in northeast also. But as far as the city of Kolkata is concerned, it is absolutely as active as any other Monday. What is interesting is that even though both the parties have been opposing the stand of the central government, but that does not seem to be impacting the normal lives of the people. यहाँ पर आप हैं, क्या कहिएगा भारत बंद को लेकर, क्योंकि पार्टी एक ओर से भारत बंद का विरोध कर रही है, नोटबंदी का समर्थन कर रही है।
नहीं, नोटबंदी का समर्थन कर रही है इसलिए चाषी जो है धान काटा हुआ है, पैसा के लिए मैंने उठाता नहीं, पैसा नहीं है। 2000 का नोट दिया तो एक लेबर का 200 रुपया रोज है, तो क्या करेगा लोग? ग्राम में देखिए ने लोग को आंसू आ जाएगा, ये कितना तकलीफ है।
But absolutely, he's talking about the problems, but when it comes to the political decisions, it of course is different from every other. Do you agree that there is a Notbandi as well as there is a Bharat Bandh? What is your take on both of them now?
See, personally speaking, Bharat Bandh or paralyzing work is something which I totally am against. Yes, with the demonetization, yes, there are people who are saying they are facing problems. But again, the thing happens to be that we have to look at the greater picture, which will probably come in few days to come. Let's see, we just can be hopeful because now a lot of things have happened, so I'm just keeping my fingers crossed.
Well, absolutely keeping their fingers crossed, and so are the political parties. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will be walking on the streets of Kolkata, a long stretch from College Street to Esplanade, and will be walking with her supporters just against this demonetization drive. But what is more important is that the politics has just begun and the entire country seems to be divided on the demonetization drive. With camera person Chitrabhanu Pathak, this is Manogya Lohiwal in Kolkata for India Today.
So we've had a check from Kolkata, Patna, Chennai, next going to Delhi. But before that, let me go across and play out the bite of the Prime Minister, who has said that we are for black money Bandh, but the opposition is for Bharat Bandh.
एक तरफ सरकार, एक तरफ हम सब भ्रष्टाचार के सारे रास्ते बंद करने में लगे हैं, काले धन के सारे रास्ते बंद करने में लगे हैं, और दूसरी तरफ भारत बंद करने में लगे हैं। आप मुझे बताइए, भ्रष्टाचार का रास्ता बंद होना चाहिए कि भारत बंद होना चाहिए? काला धन का रास्ता बंद होना चाहिए कि भारत बंद होना चाहिए? भाइयों बहनों, सिर्फ और सिर्फ गरीब के लिए ये फैसला मैंने लिया। 70 साल तक जो लूटा है उसको निकालना है और गरीब का घर बना